Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto UK. Imagine a world where luxury meets simplicity, mobility and sustainability. This is not about high-tech motorhomes or bulky caravans. Today we're diving into the innovative world of luxury tricycle campers. These three-wheeled wonders are reshaping the way we think about camping and travel in the UK, combining compact design with incredible comfort and style. Let's take a journey together into this fascinating niche, exploring what makes these tricycle campers so unique and why they're turning heads across the country. The story of the luxury tricycle camper begins with innovation and a desire to think differently about travel. With traditional caravans and motorhomes, the focus is often on maximizing space at the cost of maneuverability and sustainability. But tricycle campers are built on a very different premise. They embrace the minimalist ethos while delivering big on functionality and aesthetics. These campers are designed to be towed or even integrated with tricycles, offering the perfect solution for those who want to explore the countryside, urban areas, or coastal roads without relying on heavy vehicles. They combine the agility of a bike with the comfort of a mini home on wheels, perfect for the solo traveler, a couple seeking adventure, or even small families. They represent freedom in its purest form. Now let's break down what makes these tricycle campers stand out. First, let's talk about the design. From the outside, these campers might look small, but don't let that fool you. Every square inch is meticulously planned to maximize functionality and comfort. The exteriors often feature lightweight materials like aluminium or fiberglass, ensuring they're not only durable but also easy to tow. Many models are designed aerodynamically to reduce drag and improve efficiency. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a surprisingly spacious interior. Some models feature convertible beds, fold-out tables, and even compact kitchenettes. Imagine having a space where you can cook, relax, and sleep, all while being completely mobile. High-end versions even come equipped with solar panels, smart lighting systems, and advanced insulation, making them ideal for year-round use. But how practical are these campers for the average person in the UK? Let's address that. For starters, they're perfect for navigating the narrow, winding roads that are common in rural parts of the country. Unlike traditional caravans, you won't struggle with sharp turns or tight spaces. This is a game-changer for those who want to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations. Then there's the environmental aspect. With the growing concern about carbon emissions, tricycle campers are a fantastic eco-friendly alternative. Many models are compatible with electric tricycles or bikes, meaning you can travel guilt-free, knowing you're reducing your carbon footprint. In urban settings, these campers are just as effective. With their compact size, you can easily park them in spaces where larger vehicles would struggle. Whether you're camping in the Highlands or setting up a base in a busy city, tricycle campers offer unmatched versatility. Let's take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship behind these campers. Many of them are handcrafted by small businesses or independent artisans in the UK. These creators take pride in delivering bespoke designs tailored to individual needs. From custom upholstery to unique wood finishes, every detail is a testament to their dedication and skill. And let's not forget about the tech. Modern tricycle campers are equipped with features that rival those of traditional motorhomes. Think touchscreen panels for controlling lighting and temperature, integrated Bluetooth speakers, and even Wi-Fi connectivity. These aren't just campers, they're a glimpse into the future of mobile living. The cost is another important factor. While some luxury models come with a hefty price tag, there are options to suit a range of budgets. Entry-level campers can be surprisingly affordable, making this lifestyle accessible to many. Plus, the low maintenance costs and the lack of fuel expenses, especially when paired with an electric bike, make these campers a cost-effective option in the long run. Of course, the luxury versions are where things get truly exciting. Imagine a tricycle camper with premium leather interiors, a built-in espresso machine, and a mini-home theater setup. These are designed for those who want to travel in style, without compromising on comfort. So, who are the people embracing this trend? The community of tricycle camper enthusiasts is as diverse as it is passionate. You'll find solar adventurers using them to explore the countryside, digital nomads who've turned their campers into mobile offices, and even retirees who love the simplicity and freedom these campers provide. What's truly inspiring is the way these campers bring people closer to nature. Without the noise and bulk of traditional motorhomes, you can park right by a lake, a forest, or even a beach, and feel completely immersed in your surroundings. It's about reconnecting with the simple joys of life while still enjoying modern conveniences. Let's also talk about the growing movement behind sustainable travel in the UK. With national parks, scenic coastal parts, and charming villages, the country is a treasure trove for those who love the outdoors. Tricycle campers align perfectly with this ethos, allowing people to travel lightly and responsibly. Some councils are even beginning to recognize the potential of these campers by creating dedicated parking and camping zones. This is a step forward in encouraging more people to adopt eco-friendly travel solutions. Now, we can't ignore the challenges. For one, tricycle campers aren't designed for everyone. If you're someone who craves ample space or needs to accommodate a larger group, you might find these campers limiting. Additionally, they require a bit of a mindset shift. It's about embracing minimalism and learning to pack light. Weather can also be a factor, especially in the UK, where rain is always a possibility. However, modern models are equipped with excellent insulation and waterproofing, so you're always cozy, no matter the conditions. So, what does the future hold for luxury tricycle campers in the UK? The potential is enormous. With advancements in materials, energy storage, and design, we can expect these campers to become even more efficient and luxurious. There's also a growing interest in modular designs, where you can customize and swap out components based on your needs. And with the rise of electric bikes and tricycles, the pairing of these technologies with tricycle campers will only become more seamless. Imagine a fully solar-powered camper that recharges your e-bike as you travel. This could soon become a reality. In conclusion, luxury tricycle campers represent a bold new direction in the world of travel. They challenge the traditional notions of what a camper should be, offering a solution that's compact, sustainable, and undeniably stylish. Whether you're exploring the Scottish Highlands, cruising along the Cornish coast, or discovering hidden gems in your own backyard, these campers make the journey as enjoyable as the destination. They're not just vehicles, they're a lifestyle, a statement, and a testament to human ingenuity. So, if you're ready to embrace adventure in a whole new way, a luxury tricycle camper might just be your next big investment. The open road is calling. Will you answer?